James and Maya's love story is not defined by the color of their skin but by the deep connection they share. They met through mutual friends at a community event and instantly hit it off. Their initial attraction quickly grew into a meaningful relationship built on mutual respect, shared interests, and a strong emotional bond. Their relationship challenges some societal norms and prejudices, but James and Maya navigate them with grace and resilience. They understand that love knows no boundaries and refuse to let societal expectations dictate their happiness. James embraces Maya's culture and heritage with an open heart, eager to learn about her experiences and perspectives. He celebrates her identity and supports her in every aspect of her life. Maya, in turn, appreciates James's efforts to understand her world and values his unwavering support. Their love shines brightly, breaking down barriers and inspiring those around them to embrace diversity and celebrate love in all its forms. Together, James and Maya demonstrate that love transcends race, proving that true connection is colorblind. Despite the depth of their love, James and Maya face a challenging moment when Maya decides it's time for James to meet her parents. As James enters their home, he's met with cold stares and a palpable tension in the air. Maya's parents struggle to conceal their disapproval, their faces hardening as they exchange uneasy glances. James, sensing the discomfort, tries to ease the tension with a warm smile and a friendly greeting, but his efforts are met with stony silence. Maya, caught in the middle of her love for James and her loyalty to her parents, feels the weight of the situation pressing down on her. She knows that her parents' disapproval stems from their painful past experiences, but she also believes in the goodness of James's heart. In a tense moment, Maya's father rises from his seat, his expression stern as he addresses James. "I'm sorry, son," he says, his voice tinged with bitterness. "But we didn't raise our daughter to be with someone like you. You need to leave." James feels a wave of hurt and disappointment wash over him, but he maintains his composure, understanding the depth of Maya's parents' pain. With a nod of understanding, he quietly excuses himself, leaving Maya torn between her love for James and her desire to honor her parents' wishes. Maya's decision to split up with James weighs heavily on her heart in the days and weeks that follow. Despite her best efforts to move on, she finds herself consumed by a deep sense of loss and longing for the love they shared. As the weeks turn into months, Maya's inner turmoil manifests in the form of debilitating breakdowns. The once vibrant and confident woman now struggles to find solace amidst the chaos of her emotions. Each breakdown leaves her feeling more fragmented and lost than before, and her parents grow increasingly concerned for her well-being. Maya's parents, who had staunchly opposed her relationship with James, now find themselves grappling with the consequences of their actions. Seeing their daughter suffer brings them immense guilt and regret, as they realize the extent of the pain they have caused. Desperate to help Maya, her parents rally around her with unwavering support and love. They encourage her to seek professional help and offer a listening ear whenever she needs to talk. Despite their efforts, Maya's road to healing is long and arduous. She struggles to find closure and peace in the aftermath of her breakup with James, haunted by memories of their time together. Maya's decision to reach out to James marks a turning point in her journey toward healing. Despite the pain of their past, the love they shared proves to be resilient, drawing them back together once more. Tentatively, they navigate the uncertain waters of reconciliation, guided by a shared desire to rebuild what they once had. As they reconnect, Maya's parents begin to notice a change in their daughter. The heaviness that had weighed her down for so long starts to lift, replaced by a newfound sense of lightness and joy. Maya's laughter rings through the halls of their home once more, and her smile shines brighter than it has in months. Her parents, who had watched their daughter suffer in silence, are overjoyed to see her coming back to life. They observe the way Maya's eyes light up whenever she talks about James, the way her spirits soar in his presence. Slowly but surely, Maya's parents begin to soften their stance, realizing that their daughter's happiness is paramount above all else. They offer their tentative support to Maya and James, knowing that their love for each other transcends the barriers of race and prejudice. As Maya and James continue to rebuild their relationship, they do so with a newfound sense of strength and resilience. They understand that their journey will not be without its challenges, but they are committed to facing them together, hand in hand. And as they embrace the possibility of a future together, Maya's parents stand beside them, ready to offer their love and support every step of the way. In their daughter's laughter and in the light that shines from her eyes, they find reassurance that love truly has the power to overcome even the greatest of obstacles. Maya's dad's apology to James is a poignant moment, marking a significant shift in their relationship. With a humility born from introspection, he acknowledges the pain he caused and expresses genuine remorse for his past behavior. "James," he begins, his voice tinged with emotion, "I owe you an apology. I let my own fears and prejudices cloud my judgment, and for that, I'm truly sorry. You have shown nothing but love and respect for my daughter, and I realize now that I was wrong to judge you based on the color of your skin." James, moved by the sincerity of Maya's dad's words, accepts his apology with grace and understanding. With a firm handshake and a nod of gratitude, James assures Maya's dad that he harbors no ill will, only a desire to move forward with compassion and understanding. With his daughter's happiness as his guiding light, he embraces the future with an open heart and a renewed sense of hope. As Maya's dad extends his hand in friendship to James, a weight lifts from their shoulders, replaced by a sense of liberation and reconciliation. In this moment of healing, they forge a bond that transcends the boundaries of race and prejudice, united by their love for Maya and their shared commitment to her well-being. Together, they stand as beacons of hope, testament to the transformative power of forgiveness and the enduring strength of love. And as they look toward the future, they do so with a sense of optimism and possibility, knowing that together, they can overcome any obstacle that comes their way. As time passes, the love between Maya and James continues to blossom and grow, solidifying their bond even further. Despite the challenges they've faced, their relationship stands as a testament to the power of love, resilience, and forgiveness. And so, on a beautiful spring day, surrounded by their closest family and friends, Maya and James stand before each other, ready to embark on the next chapter of their journey together. With a steady hand and a heart full of emotion, he takes Maya's arm and leads her down the aisle, a silent acknowledgement of his unwavering support and acceptance of their union. With tears glistening in their eyes, Maya and James exchange a tender smile, knowing that in this moment, they are surrounded by the love and blessings of those who mean the most to them. They begin their married life together, bound by a love that knows no bounds and a commitment to cherish and honor each other for all the days of their lives. As they take their first steps as husband and wife, they do so with hearts full of gratitude and hope, knowing that their love story is just beginning.